How to activate cash on delivery in Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and navigate to your Shopify admin. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. And here you want to click on payments to access the payments section of your Shopify store. Once you're here, scroll down to the manual payment methods section, and from there click on the drop down that says add manual payment method. From there click on cash on delivery COD. It will open up a window from which you can set up the cash on delivery payment system on your Shopify store. It will give you two fields. The first one is the additional details field, from which you need to add some infos and details about this payment system, and it will be displayed to customers when they're choosing a payment method so they know what they are dealing with. The second field is the payment instructions field, from which you need to add a step-by-step guide so that customers know how to use this payment system, and it will be displayed to them after they place an order with this payment method. Once you have added this information as suits you, click on the Activate Cash on Delivery button at the bottom right, and the payment system will be added to your Shopify store. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add and enable COD or Cash on Delivery payment system on your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.